Hello everyone, myself Pushpinder Kaur from class 9th D, student of Sarvodaya Kanya Vidyalaya, Vikaspuri District Center. Today I am here for explaining you chapter 2nd of IT, the keyboarding skills. So let's get started. Keys on a keyboard. Buttons on a keyboard are called keys. We can type letters, numbers by simply pressing these keys. Types of keys. The different keys on the keyboard are: first, alphabetic keys, number keys, function keys, special keys, and arrow keys. I am going to explain you these keys turn by turn. First, alphabetic keys. These are marked with the English alphabets from A to Z. There are 26 alphabetic keys. They are placed closely so that our fingers can reach there easily. Second, numeric keys. The keys marked with the numbers from 0 to 9 are called number keys. The number keys are also placed at the right side on the keyboard, known as numeric key pad. Special keys. These are works in combination with other keys. Some of the special keys present on the keyboard are Alt, Backspace, Caps Lock, Space Bar, Delete key, Enter Return key, S key, Shift key, Control key, and Tab key. I am going to explain you now special keys. First, spacebar key, longest key on the keyboard, used to give spaces between the words. Second, cursor key, used to move the cursor in 4 directions, that is up, down, left and right. Caps lock key, used to type the letter in capital. When you press the caps lock key, the light on the keyboard will turn on. If you press it again, the light will turn off. Now, backspace key, used to delete the character to the left of the cursor. Now, shift key, used to type the letters in the capital or small case without using caps lock key. Also used to type symbol printed on the top of the number key. Now, enter key, used to tell the computer that you have finished a word or line. It brings the cursor down to the next line. Now, delete key, used to erase anything typed from the right side of the cursor. Functions key. The function key are placed at the top row of the keyboard, marked with F1, F2 and F3, F4 like this on. They are used to perform special functions. Now, tab key allows the cursor to jump 5 spaces forward. These are all keys that I told you just right now. We have done with the chapter. Thank you so much for watching.